Greetings out there, parents and students, potentially. My name's Tony Rogers. I'm an Austin cello player. Just to prove it, okay. And I've been teaching in Austin for about 10 years, and things are different this year, as they are for everybody because of COVID. So I'm making this quick video to let you know what cello lessons look like over the internet. And usually my hair's a little better, but this is how they sound, this is how they look, and I'm basically upping my game a little bit and bringing you hopefully some new things that add value to cello lessons in person, and let you know what happens. First of all, when a student joins me for cello lessons, they're now going to have their own website, and this is the address that they're all going to have. So if you join, you'll just have your first and last name there. On that website, it will have information regarding our lesson that we just had for your assignment, so you know exactly what it is you need to work on. And the parents also can tune in and see and watch the lesson, because all of them are recorded, and then all of them are put on this unlisted website, by the way, for privacy up. Anyway, that's the deal. I've been teaching for, like I said, 10 years. Have students that compete in all region and all state, and I don't know what else to tell you, but if you want to, should just zap me an email real fast. I don't think I've got it here, but just use the contact form at the bottom. Let me change this real quick so you can see it. It's just TonyRogersCello at gmail.com. And that is it. So please send me an email if you're interested in lessons for you, for your child. This start of the fall semester of 2020 is when this video is made. But I'll be teaching online like this for the rest of the year. So looking forward to meeting you. Drop me a line, and hope to work with you. Thanks. Bye. Get the mouse over there.